Hi friends, how are you all? Hope you're all fine. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today I am sharing with you in this videos top trending and stylish you will see in these videos attractive free crochet baby girls frocks patterns, easy homemade hand knitted new stylish winter seasons free crochet baby girls frocks patterns. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, if you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. I have uploaded new, modern, different free crochet baby girls, frocks patterns, gloves patterns, jewelry patterns, and you will see new all outstanding different free crochet designing videos. So take care friends.